Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily record a screen on iPhone 14. So let's just go into it. So the first thing that you want to do and how you can actually do it, you want to go on home, and then on the bottom top right side you're gonna have this battery here, and you want to slide it. And when you're gonna do it, you're gonna find these two circles or circle like big circle here, and you want to click on it, and 3, 2, 1, and it's recording right now. So right now it's recording, and on top left you can see that it's recording. And then what you can do is easily record, and then I can click here and screen recording. I can click stop, and then when I have it, it's going to be in photos, and I can see it right here. And right now I saw that how I was recording. So this is how we can easily record in iPhone 14. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I will really happy. And see you and goodbye.